So it's our first day in Phuket. We're at the Patong Beach area. Step one, to get our bearings, we had to find our coffee. Iced coffee, check.
Check.
Then we had to do what we always do. We kind of just walked away from the tourist spots, away from the beach, and tried to find the most authentic Thai food we could find. So we went to a little stall and we chose basically our meats and spices, and then they give you a bag of rice to go with it on top. So we got kind of a bag of different spices and meats and stuff, and then a little bag of rice, and you just mix it together yourself.
I think this is supposed to be pretty spicy, so I can't wait to give this a go. Oh, I can smell the spice. I can tell this is going to be really hot. I love it. Woo! That's spicy, but it's delicious.
As a guy that finds Frank's red hot sauce pretty spicy, I'm getting through this. I might regret it later.
Look at all those chili peppers. Oh yeah. Woo! That wave just kicked my ass.
Weather changes here really fast. It's a good thing we found this outdoor mall with the world's biggest umbrella.
So we stumbled across this map about where you're from and putting a sticker on where you're from, and we're the first from Ottawa.